YouTube banned this method because it bypasses their ad revenue system, but it's 100% legal and fully compliant with copyright laws. Let's dive into a detailed demo of this incredible AI tool that wrote 47 children's books and sold 1,283 copies on Amazon. Imagine a world where stories are crafted not by human hands, but by the intricate algorithms of artificial intelligence. This isn't a distant future, it's happening right now. The AI tool you see here is capable of generating entire books from the initial concept to the final draft, with minimal human intervention. The process begins with a simple prompt. You start by entering a basic idea or theme into the AI. The AI takes this input and weaves it into a narrative, creating characters, settings, and plots that are both engaging and imaginative. Each book is unique, tailored to captivate young minds and inspire a love for reading. Next, the AI generates the text. It uses advanced algorithms to ensure the story flows naturally and keeps the reader engaged. You can review and edit the text if needed, but the AI does most of the heavy lifting. Once the text is generated, the AI can even design the book's layout and cover. You can choose from various templates and styles to ensure that the final product is visually appealing. These books are then uploaded to platforms like Amazon, where they reach a global audience. The success of these AI-generated books is evident in the numbers. With 47 titles under its belt, this AI has managed to sell over 1,283 copies. Readers have left glowing reviews, praising the creativity and quality of the stories. This technology is revolutionizing the publishing industry, making it possible for anyone to become an author. It democratizes storytelling, breaking down barriers and opening up new possibilities. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and exciting developments in the world of literature. So the next time you pick up a book, consider the possibility that it might have been crafted by an AI, blending technology and creativity in ways we never thought possible. Tool BookBolt AI, link in bio. Input 3 keywords and it generates a full book. BookBolt AI is a revolutionary tool designed for authors, content creators, and anyone looking to produce high-quality written material quickly and efficiently. Imagine having the power to create an entire book with just a few clicks. This tool simplifies the writing process by allowing users to input 3 specific keywords related to their topic of interest. Once these keywords are entered, BookBolt AI takes over, using advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to generate comprehensive and coherent book content. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who may not be tech-savvy. As you type in your keywords, you can see the AI working in real time, crafting paragraphs, chapters, and even entire books based on the input provided. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the content is relevant and engaging. For instance, if you're writing a book on digital marketing, you might input keywords like SEO, social media, and content strategy. BookBolt AI will then generate a detailed book covering these topics, complete with examples, case studies, and actionable insights. The generated content can be edited and customized to fit your unique voice and style, giving you full control over the final product. Let's walk through a comprehensive tutorial on using BookBolt AI. First, sign up and log in to your BookBolt AI account. Once logged in, navigate to the keyword input section. Here you can enter your 3 chosen keywords. For example, if you're interested in creating a book on healthy eating, you might use keywords like nutrition, recipes, and diet plans. After entering your keywords, click on the Generate button. BookBolt AI will start processing your input and generate content in real time. You can see the progress on your screen as the AI crafts paragraphs, chapters, and even entire sections of your book. Once the content is generated, you can review and edit it to match your style and preferences. You can add your own insights, tweak the language, and ensure that the final product aligns with your vision. Here are some examples of successful books created using BookBolt AI. One author used the tool to create a comprehensive guide on digital marketing, which became a bestseller on various platforms. Another user generated a cookbook filled with unique and healthy recipes, receiving rave reviews from readers. Whether you're a seasoned author or a beginner, BookBolt AI offers a seamless and efficient way to bring your ideas to life. Check out the link in the bio to start your journey with BookBolt AI today. Step 2. Publish 10 books a day. No writing, no editing. With the power of AI, you can generate content effortlessly. Imagine having a virtual assistant that writes for you, designs your book covers, and even formats your manuscripts. All you need to do is upload the files to Amazon KDP. Start by creating a new project in your AI writing software. Choose a genre, set the parameters, and let the AI do its magic. Within minutes, you'll have a complete manuscript ready for publishing. Next, move on to designing the book cover. Use AI tools to create eye-catching designs that will attract readers. Once your cover is ready, it's time to upload everything to Amazon KDP. Log into your Amazon KDP account. Click on Create a New Title, and follow the prompts. Upload your manuscript and cover, fill in the book details, and set your pricing. To optimize your listing, use relevant keywords in your book title and description. This will help your book appear in search results. Choose categories that best fit your book's genre to reach your target audience. Set a competitive price to attract more buyers, and consider using Amazon's promotional tools like Kindle Countdown deals or free book promotions to boost visibility. Review everything carefully before hitting publish. Repeat this process for each book, and soon you'll have a library of titles available for readers worldwide. This method allows you to scale your publishing business quickly and efficiently, without the need for extensive writing or editing skills. Monitor your sales and adjust your strategies as needed to maximize your earnings. Step 3. Collect royalties while you sleep. But how do royalties actually work? Narrator. Royalties are payments you receive for the ongoing use of your work. For example, if you create an ebook, you earn a percentage of each sale. The more your work is used or sold, the more royalties you collect. Narrator. To increase your earnings, focus on marketing and promoting your work. Utilize social media, run online campaigns, and continuously create high-quality content. This will help you maximize your royalty income over time. Warning, Amazon is cracking down. Start now before it's too late.